Hi guys, I'm Denis, welcome to my channel DMaker. Today I will show you how I made a wooden fence above a wall. The idea was to create a fence with a simple design, strong enough and at the same time not too expensive. Keep watching the video and I will guide you through the whole process. Since this is a fence and will be sitting outside subject to all kinds of different weather, I decided to use pressure-treated pine with the dimensions shown. The fence will be L-shaped and the first part to make and assemble are the vertical posts, which will be 13 in total. I start by discarding the ends of the beams and then cutting each post to its final length, which in this case is 77.5 centimeters. After all the posts cut, I rounded the vertical edges using the router so that they are less prone to tear outs. In order to fix the posts to the wall, I used galvanized threaded rod. Each piece of threaded rod is 26 centimeters long and half of it will be inserted into the post and the other half will stay inside the wall. I made sure that all the rods were perfectly parallel to the posts so that I can save some time in the leveling work later on. I used an M12 metal tap and drilled halfway through the hole to make it easier to insert the threaded rod. After installing the threaded rods, I sanded all the posts using an orbital sander. Since the customer wanted a darker color, I used a colored outdoor wood protector and painted all the posts. Now it's time to install the posts in place, and for that I used concrete drill bits starting with a smaller one and increasing to the final size. To fix the posts to the wall, I used chemical bushing to make sure they will stay in place for a long time. Before letting the chemical bushing dry, I leveled the posts to keep them perfectly perpendicular to the wall using some pieces of cardboard which I removed later on. After installing the 13 posts, I leave them to dry and start preparing the boards for the fence. I cut each board to size in the miter saw and marked the position where the screws will be located. Using the orbital sander, I sanded all the boards and then applied 3 coats of the same wood protector that was used in the posts. After everything is dried, it's time to install the fence, using 6 stainless steel screws in each board, 2 per side and 2 in the center post. It took a long time to install all the boards, so I'll leave you with a time lapse of the process. The fence looks pretty good, it's solid and I think it will last a long time. But this, of course, only time will tell. The customer was quite happy with it and in the end of the day, that's what's important. I hope you enjoyed the video and if so, hit the like button and remember to subscribe to get all the notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching and remember, you can build it.